The most unforgettable moment with her was last August 18, 2013. I was able to meet her, talk to her personally, and hug her tightly. I wish I could stop the time just to spend more time with her, but time comes to bid goodbye. I could not explain the happiness I felt during that day because that day was a very special day of mine because it was my birthday. It seems like my soul soared up to cloud nine because of the happiness I feel. Words are not enough to explain how much I love her because I love her beyond words. And behind my smiles and laughters, she's one of those. The craziest thing I've done for her is yung first time kong ginawa sa buhay ko na hindi ako natulog kasi last November 12, 2013, isa siya sa mga judge dito sa Queen of Cebu and since 2 a.m. na natapos yung event and after the event nakipagkita siya sa amin tapos may group picture kami. After the group picture is pumunta na ako sa North Bus and since 1 hour yung paghihintay bago pa babiyahe yung bus na sasakyan ko pa uwi and 2.5 hours yung biyahe pa uwi sa amin. So pagdating ko ng bahay, umaga na talaga. So wala nang tulugang naganap. And I have to prepare myself kasi may pasok pa ako. As a fan girl kasi wala kang hindi kakayanin. As long as masaya ka sa ginagawa mo, go lang na go. And for her, lahat ng ginagawa ko, it's all worth it kasi masaya ako sa ginagawa ko at dito ako masaya. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Mula dito sa Bourbon, Cebu, ako si Vanessa Soliano nagaingon. Malipayong pagsaulog sa imong adlaw natawhan, Mama Don. Gihigugma o gipangga ko ikaw.